In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace your bathtub overflow plate with trip lever, easy and simple. Just so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and went to use the bathtub. You notice it's not draining, or the trip lever is getting stuck on one side, or is in the to-do list because it's not looking like before, even though it's working, but cosmetically it's seen better days. And this technique will work for overflow plate without a trip lever as well. The technique is the same. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. Across the bridge 2 towns away, but a back is a back. You can count on us. Just let us know ahead of time to make an appointment. So the first thing that we want to do is locate your bathroom. Second, if you have more than one bathroom, we want to have the correct one. Now that we have the important data points out the way, we're ready for the removal of our victim from the premises. I mean the old overflow plate with trip lever. We want to use the ping pong method of loosening one screw at a time a little bit, and then going to the other screw and loosening it a little bit, and then going to the other screw. And remember, the ancient rule passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. In this case, we have a flathead screw. In your case, it might be a Phillips screw, but the technique is the same. In some cases, you may have caulking around the plate. In this case, you might need a utility knife to score all around it. Now, depending on the gunk and grime caused by water all those years, once you remove the screw, it should come out easily. Now, you should be able to see a pin that holds the whole assembly in place. What we want to do is go ahead and remove that, and we can use some needle nose pliers to do that. But at the same time, we don't want to let go of the bar, because if it falls in the hole, it's just gonna make life a lot harder. You can pull it out all the way, or just hold it in place with your strong, beautiful hands. And now you've done it. You broke your bathroom. I mean, we're ready for the next step. Once removed, we're gonna use the same technique. We're gonna reverse engineer our way to glory. We're gonna take our plate and insert it in between the 2 bars, align all 3 holes, and press as we then insert the pin. Once the pin is inserted, we should be able to bend it to each side, preventing the assembly to get lost in time in Wonderland. We always want to make sure that we align it correctly. We want the flat plate at the top and the opening at the bottom. Now, no matter which road you pick, cowboy, cowgirl, or both or none, the technique is the same. We want to take our new screws and thread them in by hand first, and then we finish tighten them with our screwdriver or drill. And we always like to use this method when we're screwing anything in. This would prevent any thread damage. We're going to use the same technique of the ping pong method, a little bit in, a little bit on the other side, until we finally get it tight. Once we feel it hand tight, that should be enough. And now you've done it. You become a trip lever master of your community. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.